Hello everyone, this is Pravina, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, St.Josephs College, Arts and Science for Women also. Now we are discussing about oil cakes. Oil cake means oil cakes are the most important concentrated manure. They are the richest and most concentrate of cattle food. They are manufactured from oil bearing seed after they have been crushed to extract some of the oil cakes. This is all of oil cakes. The oil cakes are prepared from cotton seed, linseed or groundnut. The mineral value lay mainly in the nitrogen content, although other nutrients are present in smaller amount. Cottonseed meal, in a byproduct of the cake, is ground powder and solid as a feed for fattening bulkers and dairy cow or as a fertilizers. It contains about 6 to 99% nitrogen, 2 to 3 phosphoric acid and 1.5 to 2.0% potash. Cottonseed meal is the principal protein inorganic fertilizers material. Linseed meal is the product obtained after extracting oil. It contains 5.5% nitrogen, 1.7% phosphoric acid and 1.3% potash. Unlike bulky organic manures, oil cakes, because of their low C/N ratio 3 to 5, very rapidly in soil. This nitrogen becomes readily available. Groundnut cake is obtained after edible oil has been extracted from the groundnuts by crushing. The oil cakes are used as cattle feed and when not suitable for that purpose are used as good plant manure. Next, blood meal. Blood meal is a dry inert powder made from blood as used as a high nitrogen organic fertilizers and high protein animal feed. Nitrogen present 13.25%, phosphorus present 1.0%, potassium 0.6%. It is one of the highest non-synthetic source of nitrogen. It usually comes from cattle or hogs at slaughterhouse by product. This is blood meal. When animals are slaughtered, the blood is led away and collected in conglomerate tanks. The liquid blood is dried by rising its temperature by means of steam or hot air. During this process, the liquid is agitated vigorously. It is then dried carefully and ground. About 20 to 25 grams of dried blood is obtained from every 100 grams of liquid blood. It is solid as such or mixed with other fertilizers. The very low C/N ratio 3.2 makes the blood meal to rapid microbial decomposition and nutrification. Dried blood conduct 12 to 14%, nitrogen 0.3 to 15%, phosphoric acid 0.5 to 0.8, potash. It can be used at any time during the crop growth and is effective on all soils. Fish manure. The use of fish as a manure dates back some centuries. It is prepared by drying and crushing non-edible fish carcasses and fish wastage. It consists of either the ground whole of largely non-edible fish or the remains of the edible fish have been used for commercial purpose. This is also quick-acting manure. Gona is a mixture of birds, excrement, fish bones and other fish refuse and also consists of carcasses of young birds, fragments of fish and seaweeds. It contains 2 to 14% nitrogen and 12% phosphorus pentoxide. Whole gona consists of the dried ground fleece of wheels and contain 8 to 10 percent nitrogen and 10 to 12% phosphoric acid. Storage of manure. The storage of manure throughout compound sufficient marks but not to wet under cover or shelter and distribute during storage. Chemical preservatives are added to manure to decrease nitrogen's loss of their action may be due to their prevention of biological decomposition of urea under the nitrogenous compound or due to conversions of volatile nitrogen compounds and non-volatile salt. Strong acids such as phosphoric acid, sulfuric and hydrochloric acids are effective preservative. Next, calcium salt of strong acid. Example, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride, calcium nitrate. Enriched organic manure. Organic manure are material derived from plant and animals. The plant manure are those obtained from decayed plant. Cotton seed meal, wood or tobacco stem, green growing plant. Manure. Animals' manure include dried blood from slaughterhouses, the slaughterhouses wastes such as hoof and horn. This is called enriched organic manure. Thank you to all.